Want to delete chats on Character.AI? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Tap on the chats at the bottom. It will show you all of your chats with the characters. Open the chat of the character that you want to delete. Now tap and hold on the chat that you want to delete. Then tap on Delete. Now select the chats. Tap on Delete selected messages at the bottom. And that is how to delete chats on Character.AI. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.